Hey there, aspiring freelancers. If you're new to the freelancing world and are wondering how to get started, you are at the right place. Today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to start your freelancing journey with Superb. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your skills. What are you good at? Writing, graphic designing, coding, marketing? Then make a list of your skills and think about how you can offer them as services to potential clients. Step 2. Create a Superb account. Head over to Superb and sign up as a freelancer. It's quick and easy. Fill in your details and you're good to go. Step 3. Build your profile. Your profile is like your online resume. Make it stand out. In your profile, highlight your skills, add a compelling bio, and showcase your best work in a portfolio. Step 4. Set your price. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging and set competitive yet fair rates. Don't undersell yourself, but also be realistic about your experience level. Step 5. Now, bid or apply to those that match your skills and tailor your proposals to each client. And that's it. Now you are ready to kickstart your freelancing career on Superb. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Happy freelancing!